A little bit spicy.
Yo my dudes, so I'm ecstatic to announce that I will now be sponsored by AutoK, as well as I'll be doing a little bit of a giveaway for you guys as well. Another thing I'm excited about is that I will now be a distributor for all types of aftermarket parts for your BMW, your Honda, your Toyota, your VW, etc. What that means is, let's say for example you have a Golf 6, an entry level model, I'll be able to supply a full kit which will make your car look exactly like a Golf 6R. I'm also able to get you the ARC coilovers for any type of car as well. Heading to the giveaway, what the giveaway is going to be is a Polo 6 WRC front bumper. So to my understanding, those bumpers are fairly rare because those bumpers only came on the WRC Polo. The WRC Polo was a homologation car for VW in order for them to basically partake in a certain rally. So how you guys can enter for the giveaway is, you need to follow me on my Instagrams, as well as give me a subscription on my YouTube account. You basically just need to send me proof that you are following my Instagram and subscribe to my channel. You can send it to my personal Instagram. I will then list all of your names down and basically generate a winner. The cool thing about this giveaway is that you are not just going to get the bumper. What we are going to do is we're going to meet up with you and then color match your bumper to your car, as well as fit it on your car as well. If you do not own a Polo 6, in this day in life, there's so many people that owns a Polo 6, so you can even gift it to someone as well. So yeah guys, I'm extremely excited about giving you guys this giveaway. So let's continue this video. Yo my dudes, so as promised, I am linking up with Tyler today. We are going to Performance Solutions to do a dyno tune in his car. Before we head out, just a small disclaimer. Many of you guys do know that Shiraz's dyno is actually very stingy. So if you guys do see low figures, please bear in mind that he's actually known for actually showing some low figures. However, in future we do plan on maybe going to exceed performance, just to give the car maybe a power run, so we can maybe show what the figures show by exceed performance also. And then also guys, if you did make it this far and you are enjoying this before and after build series, please do give this video a thumbs up. And I also just want to ask you guys, if you do have a cool build and you want to maybe expose it on the channel, please make contact with me. I'll be happy to actually expose your car on the channel, expose your business as well. Maybe you have a race car that you would like to show and you may be building, etc. That will be actually cool to show on the channel. So yeah, that is basically what we do have planned for today. Once we are finished with the dyno, we might just go for a few runs and show you what the car actually performs like on the road as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's bust the move. sounds. Okay guys, so we just left the Dyno from Shiraj, me and Tyler. We're just going to visit a mutual friend of ours. He also bought the F2, a red one. He actually fully resprayed the car. One of the car is actually here. I wanted to show you guys the whole, I can say process, but he already sprayed the car. But in future I will show you guys, how can I say, his workmanship as well. This is his place over here. It's in PAROW. There's a spray booth, etc. So we're just gonna see what he's up to right now and just show you guys all the cars that he's busy with as well. So let's go. guys, so Tyler just dropped me now by my car, Kenya by Siraj. The roads are actually kind of busy, so we didn't really get any pulls. However, tomorrow we do plan on maybe servicing the car, and then we can do some pulls. So that might just be in a separate video. And then also my friend Ashton actually gave me this FN2. This is for the spots, I think. So Tyler did mention that he is looking for an air duct for his induction. So I'm gonna maybe try to make use of this and maybe create something out of fiberglass or something. There is already a design like this, but I'm gonna try to make my own design, and then maybe we can make a lot of it and obviously have our own part under the name SDM or Wongspec maybe. So yeah, that is what you guys can expect in future. And then also like I showed you guys, that red FN2, that was actually a Milano red, but he turned it into I think it's called Tornado red, which is also the same color as a Golf 7 or Golf 6. So as you guys know, Tyler had a Golf 6, so it's a very similar color to that. And then here's a few changes that he's going to make. I think he's going to spray everything that is black. It's going to be more of a gloss black. So that was a car I actually wanted to show you guys the beginning stage and then up until now. But yeah, I didn't have the time, so I might just show you guys in future what the car looks like when it's all complete. And that is also his clutch, the XD clutch. Apparently that's a very good clutch for that car as well. But yeah guys, if you made it this far, thanks a lot for watching the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.